Hi, I'm Ferdvick A. Reyes. I'm a trainee nail technician. Join me as I learn the basic fundamentals of manicure. If you're interested, please keep on watching. These are the tools we're going to use. So first, the nail brush, the cuticle pusher, the nail cutter, the brush, the nail nipper, the nail file, buffer, cuticle remover, base coat, top coat, and the nail lacquer or nail polish. This one is the nail polish remover, the cuticle oil, and the top coat. So there are two types of top coat. This one is matte, and this one is the glossy one. So this is the dip and dish. Wala kaming dip and dish, so shot glass na lang. You will put there a nail polish remover or an alcohol and the cotton. So, sa nail file naman, may iba't ibang grit yan. So, yung mga number na yan, may ibig sabihin. The higher the number, the finer. And the lower the number, the coarser. Now, I will show to you the tools that you can sanitize and the tools that are disposable. So the nail brush, you can sanitize it, and almost all of the stainless tools, you can sanitize them. So the cotton, the buffer, the nail file, these are disposable. So first, you need to sanitize your hands and your client's hands. In the real scenario, I should wear gloves and the face mask. So now I will start removing the nail polish. There are three types of nail polish. First, the regular nail polish. Second, the nail lacquer. Third, the gel polish. So, ang pinagkaiba na ng regular nail polish is mas manipis siya kaysa sa nail lacquer. And the gel polish is ginagamit siya sa nail enhancement. So, kapag gel polish, kailangan mo siya i-cure using the UV LED light. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang nail polish, nahahayaan mo lang siyang matuyo. So, okay, we're done removing the nail polish. Ayan. So, make sure na wag natin ididikit sa nail plate para maiwasan ng contamination. So, like that. Okay. Then, ikakalat natin para lumambot yung cuticle natin. So, pretending na pinapatakan ko siya. Ayan. Hindi ko pinatakan lahat kasi nga, syempre si Handy naman yan. Sayang lang, wala naman siyang tunay na cuticle, di ba? So, ayan, tapos na. Dito sa LânBrè, meron kaming tinatawag na dry spa. So, ito, lalagyan natin siya ng scrub using the spatula. So, okay, pretending ulit na nilalagyan natin siya. Okay, lagay sa palm, sa fingers. Yan. Tapos, ang pang-rinse natin dyan is warm towel. So, ito. Okay, pretend natin na warm towel yan. Then, pupunasan natin siya para matanggal yung scrub na nilagay natin. So, make sure na walang matitira. Then, second, itong mask. So, lalagyan ulit natin siya using the spatula. Then, same procedure, ikakalat lang ulit natin. Tapos, kapag nalagyan na lahat, ibabalot natin siya using cling wrap. Then, pag nabalot na siya ng cling wrap, papatungan mo ulit siya ng warm towel. So, yung warm towel na yon is ilalagay mo siya doon ng 10 to 15 minutes. Then, kapag hindi na siya mainit or malamig na, tatanggalin mo na yung warm towel. Then, tatanggalin mo yung cling wrap. Then, kukuha ka ulit ng another warm towel para i-rinse yung kamay. So, yan. Make sure dapat lahat, pati yung lahat ng fingers niya, yung mga singit-singit, malinis. Okay. And lastly, yung lotion. So, para gumanda-ganda, para maging smooth. Then, yan, natin konting massage, yung palm, yung wrist, yung fingers. Then, gagamitan siya ng lifter. Yan. Okay, yung palm. Okay. So, after ng dry spa, magpupush na tayo using cuticle pusher. Push. Okay. So, dapat hindi masyadong madiin. Hindi rin masyadong malamya ang pag-push. After pushing the cuticle, we'll remove the dead skin in the cuticle area. But take note, you don't really have to cut it. So, make sure na ang tatanggalin mo lang is yung mga dead skin na nakalabas or mga nakaangat. And wag mong pipilitin, wag ka lang basta magtatanggal kasi masakit yon, mapdi yon, and pwede yun mag-cause ng infection. So, after cutting the dead skin in the cuticle area, so mag-shape na tayo. Yan. So, dito, ang gagawin ko is yung ring finger is scoval shape. Scoval. So, medyo square na medyo oval. Like that. Tapos, yung apat is oval. So, yan. Scoval and oval. Tapos, take note, kapag mahaba yung kuko ng kliyente, hawakan natin siya sa nail plate para hindi masakit. Kasi kapag mahaba, tapos hindi natin hinawakan, masakit yon. So, ito, mag-shape na ako using the nail file. And guys, take note, kapag bago yung nail file, kailangan natin muna siyang i-season, lalo na yung edges, para hindi tayo makakat or makasugat. Yan, season natin, tatanggalin lang natin yung talim. Tapos, sa pag-shape, dapat one stroke lang tayo. Kasi, yung natural nails. Kasi pag natural nails, malambot. Kaya, dapat isang stroke lang para hindi masakit. After shaping, need natin linisin yung kuko para matanggal yung mga alikabok and para mas makita yung shape na ginawa natin. So, yung pinapupunas ko guys is lint-free, tapos may alcohol siya. Then, after cleaning, okay, ibabuff na natin. Take note, buffing is different from filing. Buffing is para mag-rough yung nail plate, but not too rough. Para kumapit yung nail polish na ilalagay natin. After applying the top coat, for the final, we will apply the cuticle oil. Make sure na may dropper siya. And kung bibili kayo, dapat ganyan. And iwasan nyo yung brush para makaiwas sa contamination. Pwede rin yung ganitong klase. Basta wag lang brush. Okay? So now, we're done with regular manicure. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, comment, and subscribe. And follow us on our social media account, on our FB page at LânBrè Official, and on Instagram, LânBrè Official. Thank you.